Hello students, first chapter The Peacock poem is going on. So we will continue this poem. Students, we have completed first stanza. Okay, in first stanza, poetess told about a peacock, told about peacock's voice, peacock color and peacock's appearance. In first stanza, poetess did not look the peacock, he looked only a disappear shadow of peacock. So students, come on second stanza. I was told that you have to sit in veranda. I was told that you have to sit in veranda and read a book, preferably one of your favorite, with great concentration. Students, preferably means specially. Concentration means the ability to give all your attention to something. Ability to give all your attention to something. किसी काम को करने के लिए अपना पूरा ध्यान देना, अटेंशन से, फुल अटेंशन से किसी काम को करना, तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? वी कॉल दैट concentration. Okay students, here the poetess seems to be waiting for the peacock. The poetess seems to be waiting for the peacock in this stanza. Okay. Okay, I was told that you have to sit in the veranda. Then poetess she remembers something that her elders told her, that is to read your favorite book. That you read your favorite book, preferably one of your favorite. You should read your favorite book, preferably one of your favorite. Which specially this is your favorite book. Here students, here I is used for poetess. Okay. Then she remembers that her elders told her that is to read your favorite book with great concentration, with great attention, with great concentration. You should read your favorite book the moment you begin to live inside the book. Students, when we read our favorite book, a moment that come, we begin to live within the book. Inside means within the book. We begin to live within the book. Be lost within the book. Here the poetess is also read a book with concentration, with great concentration, with great attention. So the moment you begin, so that moment come, she began to live within the book. She lost within the book. A blue shadow will fall over you. A blue shadow will fall over you. Students, when you are reading your favorite book and you are lost in the book, what happened? A blue shadow will fall over you. A blue shadow will disturb you. A blue shadow will disturb you. The wind will change direction. Then the wind will change direction. The wind will also disturb you. The steady hum of wheels. The steady hum of wheels. Steady means regular. Hum of wheels. The sound of wheels. In the bushes nearby will stop. In the bushes nearby, जो नियर मीन्स जो साथ ही, जो पास की होती है, पास की जो बुशेज है, बुशेज मीन्स सब्स, सब से एक स्टडी रेगुलर साउंड ऑफ व्हील्स कम्स, रेगुलर साउंड ऑफ व्हील्स कम्स एंड दिस साउंड विल disturb you when you are reading your favorite book and you are lost in your book, then what happened? The steady hum of bees in the bushes nearby will stop. The regular sound of bees will disturb you. The regular sound of bees will disturb you. The cat will awaken and stretch. Students, awaken means wake up. A stretch means expand. Okay. Then the cat will wake up and stretch, expand करेंगे. Okay. Something has broken your attention. Students, these things has broken your attention means these things has broken her attention means poetess attention. Which things? A blue shadow. The wind will change direction. The steady hum of bees, the regular sound of bees, and the cat has broken poetess attention when she is reading her favorite book and she is begun to live within the book and she is lost in the book. Then what happened? Then these things disturbed her. A blue shadow, wind, a regular sound of bees, and a cat. These things will broke poetess attention when she is reading her favorite book. Okay, students, so we will continue this poem in our next video.